A great city is measured by the character it has and the conversations it starts. And Delhi, the capital city of India, scores high on both these counts. With its many historical monuments, parks, temples, heritage sites, and entertainment zones, the city exudes certain magnetism that is hard to resist. From sightseeing to shopping to pub hopping, there is no dearth of things to do once you have checked in at your hotel in Delhi. Want to learn about the history of Indian Railways, a network that binds together a nation of millions? Then make your way to the National Rail Museum. We don't spend too much time thinking about how the toilet, such an indispensable part of our lives, has evolved. Founded by eminent social reformer Dr. Beendeshwar Pathak, the Sulabh International Museum of Toilets addresses this question. The establishment has won many awards because of its theme, huge information database, and well-maintained, chronologically arranged exhibits. Taking a trip through the known universe at the Nehru Planetarium must be in your list of things to do in Delhi. A visit to Delhi Haat counts among the top things to do in Delhi, especially for those who love a heavy dose of culture. Janpat Market is touted as one